Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic, and especially Prague Castle, are unique cultural treasures reminding us of 1,000 years of the Kingdom of Bohemia and 100 years of the modern history of Czechoslovakia. Prague Castle is the place where the most precious awards and medals have been presented for generations from the hands of kings and top representatives of state. It was here, in the castle's magnificent Spanish hall, that the Pan-European Civil Society COMENIUS has, for 24 years, announced the results of its prestigious Czech 100 Best, Lady Pro and Gentleman Pro competitions. On the 29th of November 2019, the award winners received their diplomas in this historic place. This year's event also marked the celebrations of 30 years of restored freedom and private enterprise in the Czech Republic. Dear friends, this is the 29th of November 2019, and it is the 24th annual celebration of what I would call our Labor Day. You are primarily here because you are creators of what is most important in our republic and in the world. Honest and innovative work that is the basis of our shared values. The good news is that for the last 24 years, the prestigious Czech Pan-European Civil Society COMENIUS has recognized a Lady Pro in the Czech Republic at its annual Prague Castle event. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome this year's Lady Pro, Eliška Hašek Coolidge. Eliška Hašek Coolidge received the award Lady Pro 2019 from the President of the Senate of the Czech Republic, Jaroslav Kubera. In 1950, Eliška Hašek Coolidge emigrated to the United States of America, where her father was a guest of the US Secretary of Commerce in January 1948, and prevented by circumstances from returning home to Prague. In 1963, Mrs. Coolidge founded the Office of Presidential Messages at the White House. After the fall of the Iron Curtain, she retired from 30 years of US government service and, in 1998, moved back to the Czech Republic. Eliška Hašek Coolidge was born in Prague into a distinguished Czech banking family. Her grandfather, František Hašek, was a private Czech banker, stock exchange president, and patriot who was assassinated in June 1942 by a Nazi firing squad for refusing to collaborate. In 1949, 8-year-old Eliška, together with her mother and 3-year-old brother, left Czechoslovakia under dramatic circumstances. And in 1950, she managed to be reunited with her father in the United States. After her studies at the prestigious Georgetown University School of Foreign Service, she launched her career at the White House, where she founded and managed the Office of Presidential Messages and served for 18 years as its director and special assistant to 5 US presidents. In 1998, after retiring from the US Department of State, she returned to her homeland in the Czech Republic, where she has been sharing her rich international experience. She has received a number of awards and honors for her work, including the Outstanding Czech Woman in the World, Czech Senate 2003, and the Medal of Merit First Class from the President of the Czech Republic. For many years, she has been advancing social and business contacts between the Czech Republic and the United States through her agency Coolidge Consulting Services in Prague. Her etiquette courses, the art and management of social skills and diplomatic and business protocol, and her many business lectures are based on her lifelong experience in business and diplomatic circles. In her book, 5 American Presidents, My Czech Grandmother and I, she vividly recounts her memories of these years. The stars of the evening were TV presenters Jolana Voldanová and Daniel Takáč. An excellent cultural program was provided by the jazz orchestra Beckside Big Band and the musical singer Dasha. The evening was rounded off by an enjoyable fashion show by the well-known designer Tatiana Kovaříková. We congratulate Eliška Hašek Coolidge on the prestigious Lady Pro Award, and we wish her continued success.